Welcome to the complete iOS development course from beginners to publishing your app on the App Store. We will start off by downloading Xcode, which is a tool required to develop iPhone and iPad applications. Then we will talk about different tools with which you can create beautiful app icons for your application and also create icons of different sizes. Then we will start off with Swift basics. I'll explain you how you can use Playground. I'll explain you from scratch so that you can understand each and everything of it. We will learn about variables, conditions, operators, different type of data types and switch cases. Then I will talk about functions and loops and how you can create your own custom functions in the application. Then we will see how to use timers and delays within your application. Then we will learn about Xcode basics, where I will talk about view controllers and different type of objects used in a view controller, and I'll show you how basically the entire Xcode works. While learning about different type of objects used in a view controller, we will create a very small application and run it on an iPhone and see how it performs. Then we will go and create our first application, which will be a bill splitting app. When user provides with a total bill amount, tip percentage and total number of people, then it will show the exact amount split amongst everyone. The second app which we will create will be used to upload on the App Store. It will be a simple quiz game. Then I'll show you how to take screenshots and create an app icon for your application. In the final video of the class, we will see how we can upload our quiz game app to the iTunes Connect and go through the procedure of adding screenshots, description and keywords to our app, and then finally we will successfully be able to submit our app to the App Store. So what are you waiting for? Get started right now and create great and beautiful apps. See you in the class.